day trade set up for today. So yesterday, just get rid of that level. Right, so yesterday we ended up with a green bar, so a gap up and then a close above the previous high. We have cracked through this level, and I'll pick up that level for you now. We kind of, I just want to zoom in here so we can just get this level exact. There it is there, which is 34.02 is the previous high on my chart anyway, and you can see we still fell short of that. Okay, so just get down to 3 hour. Just going to put that level in there. That was the attempt to get through, and then we pretty much came back down again. So right now I'm looking for a level to get in long. This seems to be the area that we need to pay attention to. We'll look at that in an hour, but that looks like the area that offers the most support, and this has been a battle. So if you look at this scenario here, look at how many days we've been stuck in this area here. So we've broke through this level of was resistance, now support. You can see there how many days we battled to get through that. I mean, start counting back here. So that's 1. We got through there, we closed below it. Then it's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Call that 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days. And then we broke through, and now we spent 2, 4. Sorry, it's not days, we're talking 3 hour bars. Now we're sitting with 4 3 hour bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3 hour bars that are just battling on that level. This is a tough nut to crack. It is close to an all-time high, and there's no catalyst to drive it through the all-time high, which is why you're seeing price do this. If we get down to the hour, we can start paying attention to the level. I think we can just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so yeah, most of yesterday was sideways. There was nothing really on offer here, and if you look at that, 38.82 is the area of support, and we are battling with that at the moment. We did break through this previous high here. I think that can come onto there. That is 33.90. So we did break through it, got a bit of a pin bar reversal off there, and now we're coming down to find support. So that's pretty much the moral of the story. I'm looking for an area of support and looking for an area to get back in this. I'm still targeting this 3,400. It's just been a long, messy opportunity. But buying the pullbacks is still the way to go. You can see every pullback has been bought, and again, targeting this zone here. The fact that we're in the zone, not below it, is not really comforting, but it does offer a level of support for me here. So looking at this area of 33.82 is definitely an area of support that I can utilize, and we are making higher highs and higher lows. So the trend is still up, very much range bound, or sorry, channel bound at the moment, but there is always a but, isn't there? There's our channel, but now if I just adjust that to pick up all the highs, that becomes a rising wedge. Okay, now rising wedge, what I do like to do though is just have a look at a really the moving average crossover, but I do like to see whether we have some kind of divergence here on the higher time frames with stochastics, and we don't really have anything. Nothing really there, and 8 hour, nothing really there either. Okay, so nothing really in it at the moment. We are battling to get through this, and I think again this is a 15-minute trade. I think of all the instruments of the DAX and the Dow Jones, this is definitely the one that I feel has the most to offer at the moment. So there's my 15-minute level, which I need to find support on. So it's 33.87. I need to be above it, find support, and start making higher highs. That would give me an opportunity to be long. First target is going to be this area where we got the high. Okay, ultimate target is still this 3400 area over here. Okay, that's kind of my view at the moment. Still buy the dips and just continue buying the dips, but you just need to take profit at every level. Don't try and hold on and expect it to bounce through levels, because it is bouncing back off the levels and not getting through them. So that's just as a result of no catalyst to drive it. Okay, so anyway, that's me for today. I hope it helps you somewhat, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.